Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon. Children, we have completed all the work of chapter 12. Have we completed all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But can we do drawing today?
Wait, Bhavya, just wait. We have completed the map work yesterday. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
And all the question answers, short ones, long ones, everything.
Yes, ma'am. Long ones also. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Now what we are going to do today?
Drawing.
Drawing. Okay, let me see.
Ma'am, shall we write with colorful sketch pens, ma'am?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Never. No, ma'am. Not now.
What?
Ma'am,
What?
not now.
I can't understand.
Ma'am, today can. Ma'am, today can.
Can we do coloring?
Coloring of
Ma'am,
what?
shall we write something with using colorful sketch pens? Ma'am, what we will do in this period?
What we will do? That is what I'm seeing, beta. That is what I'm.
Ma'am, we can start a new chapter.
No, no. We'll not start new chapter today, beta. We'll start it on Monday.
Ma'am, you know that I have one small rabbit.
Wow, very nice, Yashmit. Your map is looking very good, beta. Very nicely done.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one small rabbit.
Very good. Where is that rabbit?
Ma'am, can I show you?
It is near you.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
मैम अभी वो बाहर था लेकिन अब वो केज में चला गया.
okay, I can see it. So it is
मैम
inside
उसका
your
नाम है
room.
चीकू.
It is inside your
मैम
room.
वो यस मैम.
Oh,
मैम वो पूरे लाइक होम में बहुत अच्छे से घूमता भी है.
okay, okay. Very nice.
मैम her name is चीकू.
Chiku. And he eats chiku?
No ma'am.
No.
He eats only vegetables.
Only vegetables. No fruits.
No ma'am. We have not tried also.
Okay. So these days you must be giving him, you must be feeding him with carrots only.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am carrots and palak ke patte.
Okay. Very nice. Very good. Healthy rabbit.
you.
Healthy chiku. Chiku is
Yes,
healthy.
ma'am.
He lives only on healthy food.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Perfect. Now, see, I have got a very interesting activity on page number 81 of your book. Can you see?
Ma'am, which page number?
80. Page number 80 of your book, beta. 81, sorry. 81. So I think we should try.
Ma'am, I also open.
Why do I feel that we should try this today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, without using anybody's help, how we will do this?
First, let me read. Let me read. Let me see if you need someone's help or you can do it without anyone's help. Today is what day? Saturday.
Friday.
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 Okay, today is Friday. We have a leave of Saturday. Yes, Saturday is our holiday.
Why, ma'am? Ma'am, why?
Why? Your winter break?
Oh, okay, ma'am. And ma'am, New Year also.
Yes, New Year also. Okay, here, make a walnut fudge. All of you can see the screen. It is given on page number 81 of your book. 100
Yes, ma'am,
grams
we
of
can see
chocolate
screen.
cake. So for what all do you need? You need 100 grams of chocolate cake. I have chocolate cake right now at my home, but I'm sure all of you will not be having. Do you have it?
No, ma'am.
No. Full walnut kernels. Kernels. This is called kernels. 3 teaspoons of unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon. Oh, we need to do a lot of preparation, like pre this thing. It can't be done right now. On the spot, it can't be done. We have to have a lot of preparation for this kind of activity first.
Ma'am,
So the idea is
today-
flop. Yes.
ma'am, but today my sister is gonna make chocolate lava cake.
Wow. Very nice.
She's
On her
going to
own.
take that ingredients.
She's going to take that where?
Ma'am, she's gone to take the ingredients.
Okay, she's gone to buy these ingredients. Very good. Okay, let's play this
Yes.
game now. No one will speak. Okay, it says find 12 differences. Now you have to find the. You have already found. Just write it on a piece of paper. Write it on a piece of paper, and then you will tell these differences. No one is going to speak.
Ma'am, the answer is in the photo.
Yes, I'm stopping this share. I'll stop this screen share. I'll reshare it. I have also
Yes.
seen right now only the answer. Let me just
Yes,
edit this picture.
Ma'am, can you send this picture on WhatsApp because I can't see it.
Better wait. Okay, done. And now let me send. You have to find out 12 differences in this picture. Yes. Start finding 12 differences.
Ma'am,
You will write the
Ma'am,
differences on a piece of paper. Anyone who will speak in between will be out of the
Ma'am,
game,
can
will
we
be
doodle it?
disqualified.
ma'am, can we doodle it? Ma'am,
No, don't do it here. I'm saying it,
Okay,
everyone will, beta, everyone will doodle it, then the whole screen is going to get dirty. Write it on a
Ma'am, I
piece of
found
paper.
I will take, ma'am, I will take screenshot, then I will do it, doodle.
Yes, that you can do. And no one will speak in between. Once you will find all 12 differences, then only you have to speak.
Ma'am, please send this picture on WhatsApp group so that I can that doodle it.
Ma'am, I found 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please send this picture on WhatsApp because I not see here this picture clear. And my connectivity is not so good, so again and again I am leaving from class.
Beta, see, I have shared on class group.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I found all the difference.
Very good. All 12.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say that after this we can read our English creative paragraphs.
Hmm?
Ma'am, after this we can read our English creative paragraph.
Yes, you can read that.
Ma'am, I found 11. Ma'am, I also found.
Ma'am, I have found 7.
Good, good. Keep
Mama
going.
found it.
Keep going. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have found 8.
Ma'am found all.
Ma'am, I also found all 12.
How many have not found? How many are still finding it?
Ma'am, I am finding. Ma'am, I have found 10.
Okay, Akshada has sent me with all the differences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very nice.
I found 10.
2 more to go. Children, done? You're taking too long.
I'm done.
Everyone has done. Can I stop the screen share?
Yes, ma'am.
Stopped. Now tell me how many of you would want to read the paragraph on the benefits of morning walk? Benefits of the morning walk. Who all are interested in reading? Okay, Yashmit. First, let's go with Yashmit. Start reading, beta. Yashmit is not there. Okay, Akshada, let's start with you.
Okay, ma'am. Morning walk. Morning means the first or early part of the day. Thus, morning walk should be first priority of everybody. The morning walk is an exercise. It is the time when the mind is fresh and the body is active. It is rightly said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. The morning air is very pure. Morning walk is a beautiful way to interact with nature. We can enjoy all this if we go on a morning walk.
Very good, beta. Very nice. Next, who wants to read? No one is interested in reading. Have you not written, children? Where is everyone distracted, huh? Just thinking that only last 2 periods are left. We'll have 2 days holidays.
Because the paragraph is left, so I am doing it.
Okay, you're doing it. What about others? Jasreena, Bhavya, Raina, Samar, Kunal, Vamika. Yes,
Ma'am, my
Kunal,
half
you
of
want to
the
read it out?
paragraph is not completed. Ma'am, my half of the paragraph is not completed.
Okay, do one thing. I'm giving you time to complete it. Okay, you may complete it right now and then later you'll read it. Is that fine? All
Yes,
the
ma'am.
students who have not completed may complete it now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, better read.
Rising early up in the morning is a good habit, and then after that, going for a walk is a lot better. Young and old age, everyone goes for a walk. We feel refreshment, and our bones and muscles stay strengthened. We see a lot of trees, which takes us close to nature. We can hear the chirping of birds. It relaxes our body, soul, and mind.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice, beta. Very well written. But it should have been a little longer than what it is. You've written it very nicely. Good.
Can I?
Yes,
Okay.
beta, read.
We should wake up early morning and do exercise or go for morning walk. If we do exercise, we get refreshment. If we are doing yoga, we can't get any disease. If we do morning walk daily, we get strength. We get fresh meant after doing yoga. We should go outside and fresh air is also blowing and birds creaking.
Okay. In this paragraph, as a value point, I gave you a word refreshment. Now, what you can do, you can use this word like the morning walk helps as, or the morning walk works as a refreshment in our life. Okay. You're going to use this word as it is given. Morning walk works as a refreshment in our daily life. Good, beta. Anyone else who wants to read? Okay, write it, complete it, and then you'll read.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, beta, speak.
Morning walk is an exercise with many benefits. A person who goes on morning walk has to get up early. That's a good
Jasrina,
thing. Yes,
Jasrina,
ma'am.
a person who goes for morning walk.
Okay, ma'am. To get early in the morning, thus it teaches us self-discipline. He begins to feel the fresh air of the morning. The pure air goes into the lungs. That is very good for us and it purifies also. It has been proved scientifically that those who go to the morning walk every day to be get more energetic, thoughtful day. More morning walk has been found extremely effective to promoting our health of our heart.
That's all?
And no, ma'am, I'm speaking.
Hmm.
And morning walk is very good for our health and it maintain our body because we wake up and in the early morning and goes to walk.
Very nice, beta, very good. But tell me, whose help have you taken?
Ma'am, I have taken 2-3 sentences help of my mother, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Very well written.
Yes, ma'am. Little bit.
Good. Anyone else who has completed? Okay, completed beta, and then it'll be your turn to speak.
Ma'am, see?
Wow, so cute. You have it at your home. It's a parrot,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
baby parrot. Jasrina, is it trying to bite you? I have clicked your picture, Jasrina. I'm going to show it to Veer. Okay, children, done. What mood are you in today, huh? Last day. Thinking that today is the last day.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are waiting for others to finish. Mokshit, have you finished, beta? Okay, what about Bhavya? Why is Bhavya so quiet today? Bhavya, Samar, Vamika, Arhan has read, Jasrina has read, Akshada has read, Kunal has read. Daksh Pratap, what about you? Okay, till then, the children who have done, I'm writing a word on the board. You have to make small words using this big word. No repetition of alphabets. The word is instrumentation. Alphabets should not be repeated and no word should be of less than 4 letters. Start.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Okay, class 4th C, I'm ending the class here. You can go and join the link of your next class, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent you a video.
Jasrina, you have
See,
sent
ma'am.
me a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Video of what?
Ma'am, of my parrots.
Parrots. How many parrots are there?
Ma'am, there are 2.
Very nice. Very cute. So you leave them open?
Yes, ma'am. At night, we keep them in cage.
Okay, and all day long they are inside the home.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye.
Are you not scared that they'll fly away?
Ma'am, they are very small. They will not be able to fly.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Chalo.
male and this is female.
Very nice. Very cute. Okay,
Bye,
children,
ma'am.
bye for now.